It's Thursday, August 28th. In the headlines, the Jamaica Labour Party's Dr. Andrew Holness and the People's National Party's Mark Golding is set to square off in Jamaica Debates 2025. The rollout of Phase 1 of Rural School Bus Program is set for September 8. In business news, Scotiabank President and CEO Audrey Togwell-Henry receives the prestigious Business Leadership Award. Regionally, in Antigua and Barbuda, forecasters warn of prolonged drought. And in sports, Caribbean Regional Conference on Intellectual Property and Sport. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.